Hey guys, today we show you this GOOFIT motorcycle carburetor. This is a 26mm carburetor. The manifold intake diameter is 26mm. Opening space diameter is 48mm. The air intake diameter is 40mm. Item replacement for 125cc 150cc engines, pit bike, dirt bike, ATV, quad, buggy, Honda XR200 and many other motorcycles. The carburetor is made of high-quality metal, has high hardness and good strength, provides reliable performance and long service time. Easy installation process, practical and convenient to use. You can click product links below for more product information. Item also comes with a delicate keychain. You can scan the QR code backside. Follow us on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.